Okay, time out. Stop the presses. I wasn't going to say anything during this video, but I'm going to. I just wanted to comment on this. It's brand new. We just got this in. Muhle Contour Shave Gel. What it's for is you can see your lines. Massage it in with your fingertips. No brush required. All you do is massage it into your warm, damp face, and then warm, damp face. That's what I said. Just massage that in thoroughly, and seriously, it was very nice during the shave. Provided lubrication, both blades, the Spartacus right here and the Feather Artist Club SR razor, the Japanese style, mowed right through. They glided very easily across the skin, and the thing I really noticed about it was after the final rinse, the skin was super soft. So I can't really read all these ingredients right now, but maybe I can put a list up here. You can check it out. Whatever's in here really made it very comfortable and provided a great cushion for the blade. And after the shave, the skin was super soft. You can see left side Japanese, right side Spartacus Straight Razor. I can't decipher any differences. Both sides feel the same. But this product, I have to say, very nice. Great for lineups, great for shaving, great for trimming beards. Left the skin feeling great. If you want to pick up any of these items, Spartacus, Shave Gel, Japanese Razor, any of that, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.